simplify. To simplify this one, we have to know them, which one in which quadrant, which one is positive in which quadrant. Say all of them here are positive. This is 90 and this is 180. This is 270 and this is 360. These are degrees. Okay, all of the trig ratios they all win here. So here is sine is positive and tan and cos here. Can remember it like this: all students take coffee. All students take coffee. Student is for sine, take is for tan, and C is for cos. So this is how we will know it. So sine, if it's between 90 and 180 is positive, and in the first quadrant as well. The tan is between 180 and 270 is positive, and cos is between 360 and 270 is positive. So let's check this. Number one started with sine. Sine is 180 minus. That means if we have 180 and then we put 1 here, it will be what? 179. So it goes here. 179 is here. So that means sine here it's positive. So we'll have sine. And then it's not the line of change. You have to check which one is the line of change. The line of change is 270 and 90. So if there was 270 and 90 here, you would change sine to cos, and then you check which does it belong to that angle. If it does not belong to that angle, and then it's negative. Meaning, when I say does it belong, that means is it positive in that angle. So now its sine is positive, and that is not the line of change. Line of change is 270 and 90. The other one are not line of change. Line of change, when we have sine, change to cos. When you have cos, change to sine, vice versa. So if there is 90 or 270 here, it will change. Let's see, cos is 360. 360 is this one, minus that means it goes here. If you can put 20 here, you have 340. 340 is between 270 and then cos here is positive, so we'll just write cos x. Then you go to tan. Tan is tan 180 plus. 180 plus is here, so if we add something like 181, it belongs this side. From 181 to 270, tan is positive. So here we'll just write tan, and 180 is not the line of change. If it was 90, it would be line of change. So tan is positive, so we'll just write tan x. Then you go again, cos is 180 minus. 180 is this one, minus, it means in the second quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It's here. Cos is in the second quadrant. And if it's 180 minus, it's in the second quadrant. So cos here it's what? Negative. So you put negative, and 180 is not the line of change. Then sine and cos. So this one will cancel. cos and cos can cancel, and then we'll be left with negative sine x divided by tan. So let's change tan and see what we get. Changing tan now, this negative come from this one. Changing tan, tan is sine over, according to identities, sine x over cos x. Then negative sine x